Meaning of injudiciously.
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 Injudiciously. The word injudiciously refers to acting or deciding without careful consideration of all the relevant factors and potential consequences. When someone acts injudiciously, they may make decisions that are reckless, imprudent, or irrational. This can lead to negative outcomes, such as financial losses, reputational damage, or even physical harm in some cases. For example, if a business owner injudiciously decides to invest all their money in a single stock without researching the company's financial stability, they may suffer significant losses if the company goes bankrupt. Overall, acting injudiciously can have serious and lasting consequences.